Hey, it's Botanical Brian here at Colonial Gardens. Our Colonial Kids Club Learning Gardens are back. It was so much fun growing and learning with you last year, and we are ready to do it again. So this is Kelsey. Kelsey is our new agronomist here at Colonial Gardens. Kelsey, it's so great to have you aboard.
I'm excited to be here.
So Kelsey is going to be our instructor this year for our Colonial Kids Club Learning Gardens, and Kelsey is going to tell you about our learning garden that's coming up really soon, our spring learning garden. Kelsey?
I'm really excited to be doing learning gardens with you this year. We took some feedback from last year and shortened the class, so it'll be 12 weeks this year, starting March 18th. And if you want to start later, that's fine. All the videos will be numbered so that you can follow along anytime you start. The learning garden comes with a plant-right container, a bag of soil if you're ordering for pickup, seed packets, stick tags, and then the weekly video instructions. Learning gardens are for anyone who's interested in growing food, gardening. You can buy the learning gardens online on our Colonial Kids Club page on our website or here at our Colonial Gardens store. They are $24.99 shipping or for pickup. If you get them shipped, they do not include soil. These are available for individuals, but we highly encourage group purchases. And you can even talk to your schools to see if this is something they're already thinking about doing or something that they would be interested in doing in the classroom.